Hi there YouTube friends, welcome back to Auntie A's Kitchen. For those who don't know me, my name's Amanda and I love sharing with people simple, delicious recipes that you can cook here in South Korea using South Korean ingredients. If you're new to the channel, hi there. 안녕하세요. Welcome to everyone wherever you are watching. As I say every week, I hope you're having a great week. Today, a very simple and a quick recipe. I'm going to show you how to marinate feta cheese in some homemade garlic oil. Almost two recipes in one. If you don't want to marinate your feta cheese, then you could just use this garlic oil on its own and it is incredibly delicious and complements any dishes that you cook with it. Feta cheese is a very strong cheese, it's wonderful, but when you marinate it, it just takes the cheese to another level. It's great in so many recipes. Two of my favorite recipes I've already showed you, watermelon pizza and a watermelon salad with feta cheese. You do need to be careful when you're using garlic inside oil, and so please make sure to watch this video all the way through. I'm not only going to be sharing some tips with you, but I'm also going to be sharing with you some alternate flavors that you could use to marinate your feta cheese and just take this recipe and to make it your own. Thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoy this recipe.
You need to be careful when using garlic and oil. It has a low acidity and it's possible for the spores from the garlic to develop, causing botulism. It is recommended a safer way is to cook the garlic and where possible to use dry herbs, and most importantly keep this refrigerated. If you do choose to use raw garlic and fresh herbs, then not only make sure that you refrigerate it, but to be safe, consume within 2 to 3 days. So to start our recipe off today, I peel 1 clove of garlic and get that into a pan and covered with a good quality oil. You want to make sure that you have enough oil to cover your feta cheese. I'm only marinating 1 block of feta cheese today, so I use a little over a cup of oil. I want to make sure my garlic cooks evenly, so I pull a few of the larger pieces out and cut them in half. Start off on a low heat and allow to come to a gentle simmer. You'll see that I keep moving the pan around so that the garlic cooks evenly. It'll take between 7 and 10 minutes. You don't want the garlic to get too brown and burn, as this will bring a completely different taste to your oil. As soon as the garlic starts to get a bit of colour, I remove off the heat and allow it to cool down. You don't have to use this garlic oil to marinate your feta cheese. If you have no time to make this or don't want a dominant garlic flavour, then just pour some good quality oil over your feta to preserve it. Once your garlic infused oil has cooled, pour it through a sieve into a sterilised jar. The leftover crispy garlic pieces I like to use in other recipes. A favourite of mine is to sprinkle them over a salad to add a little texture. Sometimes I will use the oil as it is for cooking, but let me show you a great way to store and add even more flavour to your feta cheese. Remove any excess liquid, then cut up your feta cheese into bite-sized cubes and place it into your oil. If you're stuck for gift ideas, then these jars of deliciousness are great to give friends and family for any occasion. I like to add a variety of dried herbs, and today I'm going to go with some red pepper flakes and thyme, but there are so many combinations of flavours that you could add to the oil. Rosemary, dill, parsley, basil, red chilli are just to name a few. Lemon zest and green and black olives also go well, so please take this recipe and put your own twist on it. It's important that you cover your feta cheese completely, so I add a little extra olive oil before placing this into my refrigerator. For the best flavour, marinate in your fridge for a couple of hours before serving. This will keep in your refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks. Once you've used up all of your feta cheese, you can then use the oil for cooking, so nothing goes to waste. It's time for me to go, but I look forward to seeing you in the next video. God bless. Chopokam nada.